All right, part 51. It's May 16th, 2025. It's in the frame, but not sealed in yet because I haven't added the plexiglass yet. I burnished down with a metal like bristle brush and a power drill the wood surface here, and it worked out really nicely in terms of the grain of the wood, giving it a very enhanced, fishy look. Allegorical sea monsters. Trump, Gaddafi. Yep. The two drawings I did in autumn 1974, my first semester as a sophomore, transfer art major at Southern Illinois University School of Art, Carbondale. I had previously done my freshman year at Parkland Junior College in Champaign, Illinois. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Wonderful feedback. Thank you, darling. All right, this is based on a Goya etching, Porque Y, from his etching series, The Disasters of War, Los Desastres de Guerra, and from a George Gross print. I must have seen these in books. In 3 Age Really Fit for Field Duty, Injection, anti-war art I chose. Interesting because I did my first anti-war print in late '72 about Vietnam, and I've spent decades doing art about the Holocaust and human rights and tolerance and anti-war and so on, anti-hate and so on. All right. Memory of Karen Hunt, one of the victims of the Libyan bombing, which Gaddafi took credit for, and later, after Gaddafi was gone, Trump praised Gaddafi, and all these several hundred people died in the plane, the crash in Lockerbie, Scotland, and people on the ground, British people, Scots. All right, a whole lot of allegorical sea monsters. 3 seaweed sketches I had done in Aberdeen in 1987 while I was International Artist in Residence at the Aberdeen Art Gallery. A drawing which reminded me of a cloud when I looked at it, I did of an ant hill in West Palm Beach, Florida, early 1990s. And the 2 trees, houses, the small plane, it's been like a toy plane, and I think a seagull I had drawn in Montefiore, Scotland, in around May or June 2011. All right, there you have it. The bamboo I had lying around, so I added it on the bottom of the frame, along with the 2 pieces of wood, which I kind of cut mouths into, and they had nice, good eyes. All right, there you have it.